In question 7, we're shown two shapes P and S, and for part A we're said on the grid to translate P by vector 2, minus 1. The way that these column vectors work is the number at the top tells us how far we have to go right or left. If it's positive, we go right. If it's negative, we go left. The number at the bottom tells us how far we have to go up or down. If it's negative, we go down. If it's positive, we go up. So in this case, we're going to go right 2, down 1 with every point. So that means that for this point here on P, we're going to go right 2, down 1. So that means that will be the new point there. And again, this point will go right 2, down 1. We don't need to do all the points to know that, therefore the shape will end up there. And this is the shape they ask us to call Q. Now, in the next part, they say describe fully the single transformation that maps P to S. Well, it's clearly an enlargement. And remember here, there's 3 marks. So they're looking for 3 pieces of information. So our first piece of information is it's an enlargement. The scale factor is, well, let's have a look. So the size of this is 1, size of this is 3, size of that is 2, size of this is 6. Scale factor therefore is 3. And the last piece of information is the center of enlargement. And the way that you work this out is, and it'll be quite tricky to show in this diagram, but nonetheless I'll give it the best that I can. And you basically draw a line that connects these 2 points, and you draw it all the way from, sorry, let me just do it in different colours so it makes it easier, and you do it all the way through like that. And again, you do the same for this one here. Oh, sorry, it's gone a bit too low, that isn't, it's a bit too high, that. Let's get it back in line. So again, so what we're going to do is go from here like that, and then the same with this. And I know it's quite difficult to see here, but where the 3 lines all cross, that is in fact your centre of enlargement. And I think it's there where they're doing. Obviously, it's a bit difficult for me to draw that on the screen. So the centre of enlargement therefore is minus 3, because it's the x value first, 2, and that's our 3 points for that question.